And here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. And at the top, you pretty much be able to use Banana to generate your images. You can use text to video option. You have the text image to video option. You have the text to video option, and you have the video enhancer option here. So those are tools you pretty much can use with this application here. And as well, you have some different templates which you can use. Some of them are free and some of them you may need subscription to use. As you can see here, a lot of them are available. You can see here in the popular section as well. Get up and see all option. And you can see a lot of popular templates which you can use. As well, if you do want to use any one of these templates, all you have to do is just upload a clear image of yourself, and you pretty much get these results. So if, let's say you do have a dog, you want to try out this pet template here or the dog template here, you can just tap on this option here, then tap on try. Now, it will ask you to upload one image of your dog, and it will pretty much transform everything for you. So very simple application to use. So let's say, for example, you want to create your own AI image. You can tap on this at the top here. It says Banana Pro. Do keep in mind, you're going to need credits or lightning bolt points to generate. As you can see here, only requires one. So I'll be able to generate something. So I can just enter what I want to generate or anything, and as you can see, you can also add an image as a reference as to what you want to generate. And as well, you can select the aspect ratio. As you can see here, all the aspect ratio are available. So once you have entered what you want to generate, just tap on generate down here, and it will start generating in no time. So it will go over here where it says me section, and you will see the generating starts. So, and as well, you're going to see your favorite section and so forth. So nothing much for that. So we'll go back here at this template section. We also have the image to video option here. All you have to do is just upload an image, and it will pretty much turn that image into a video. So once you have selected the image that you have uploaded, pretty much can tell the AI what you want the image to do, what needs to be done in the next video, whatever the case is. So if you want let's say you have a dog in the image and you want the dog to run, all you have to do is just describe what you want to happen to that image. And as well, you do have the option to use the standard or the professional model. So if you want the best result, professional model is the best option. And as well, you do have duration as it relates to how long you want video to be, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. So the 5-second option is free, and here you have the 10-second option, which requires a subscription. So yeah, but as you can see down here as well, you're going to need 30 credits to pretty much generate this video. So if you don't have 30 credits, you won't be able to use it. So that's pretty much it for that section there. You have the text to video option here as well. You can tap on this option here. You can pretty much enter what you want to generate. They do give you an option to select the aspect ratio, as you can see here, and as well the model, the model, as you can see, a professional if you want better results. And if you use the standard version, a less amount of credits. So that's pretty much it for that there. And the video enhancer, which pretty much increase the video quality of any video. So at the top here, this is pretty much where you will see your credits. So once you start using the application, you will get 30 credits for free. I'm not sure if it's still going on or if in the future you'll be still getting 30 credits free. But for now, that's what you'll be getting. So you can pretty much use the Banana feature, or you can just generate one image for one video to image or text to video for free. So once you have created or once you have used any one of these, you can go in the main section as I said before, and you should be able to find it here. So any image that you have created will be in this section. So this is pretty much the image that was generated, and as you can see here, it looks very good. I'm not gonna lie, it looks very good. And at the top you can download it and pretty much save it to your gallery, or you can share it with your friends and families. So this is just image. It will show for the all section because I'm currently in the all section. If I tap on image, I'll be able to see only this here. And if you want to see videos, be in this section here, video section. So as well, you can tap on the creation icon down here to be able to select any one of these features that you want to use, whether it be the image to video, text to video. All options are available for you to use. So to get free credits, as it relates to the subscription, I should say, there is the points and credits. You have to tap on this at the top here. We can check how much credit you have. As you can see, I currently have this amount of credit, and we can go ahead and purchase credits. As you can see here, so we have 1,000 credits, 2,000 credits, up to 10,000 credits which you can purchase, and they do show you how much for each credit. And as well, you do have a subscription separate. Subscription is pretty much separate from the credits. So if you do have subscription, it just give you access to templates, exclusive also no watermarks and no ads and faster results. That's pretty much it. But they do give you free credits once you purchase their subscription. But once those credits are finished, and yes, you're gonna still have the subscription, but you're gonna need to purchase more credits to use their other tools. So do keep that in mind as well. So the subscription doesn't allow you to use the tools for free. They do give you credits with the subscription, but if you use all of those credits that they have given you, you pretty much will need to buy credits. And as well, they do give you credits weekly, as you can see here for the subscribe option here. You can go ahead in this section here as well to get their subscriptions. You can see here they do give you 250 credits weekly. So if you purchase a monthly subscription, you'll be able to get that yearly subscription, as you can see here. So that's pretty much it for that there. And at the top, you can tap on the reward option. And this is pretty much where you go log in and so forth. As well, you do have the reward option where you can get free credits, guys. So you'd have to log in and you'll be able to get free credits once you start using the application. You check in daily, you'll be able to get free credits. So in the popular section here, there are just templates created by our videos created by other people on the platform. All you have to do is just select whichever one you like to copy. You can tap on this one here, for example. Some of them you won't be able to copy. Do keep that in mind as well. So let's say, for example, this one here, once I've selected this here, so you can see this is pretty much the result of him using the template that was provided. You can see it on this option here. And you can also see the template that they have used, and you can use it yourself by just tapping on this option here and see what they have used. And as well, you can give it a like, comment below as well, and share it. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and see if we can help you.